Hello, everyone. So, let us go ahead with our new session of Excel. And in this session, we are going to practice with our other data set. In the last session, we have seen that we have downloaded all these files from a website which is giving us open data for practice. What I have to do is when I have downloaded any data, it is not compulsory to download this data. You can download any data, right click of your mouse, press on right button of your mouse, open with Excel. Okay, when you open with Excel, you have to do the basic formatting, practice of basic formatting. So what we'll do, select this. Okay, click on this triangle, right button of your mouse, search your row height 20, and column. Again, same thing you have to do, search here, column width, and do it 25, let's say. Okay, so now I can see that all the columns are uh, big, so it is unnecessary. I will again change this column width to 20, let's say. Now it is good enough. Now what I have to do is, again I will select all this and center align quickly. I will do all borders. Then I will select the first row. I will make it bold, italic, underline. I will color it. Okay, then I will go to freeze plane, correct, view. Okay, I have selected my first row. I will go to freeze plane and freeze top row, and in this way my data is done. Now I will go to file, save as, browse. In this I will go here in documents. Okay, wherever I have to store, I will go in that folder. I want to store in this folder, so I will go here, and here see, save as type CSV. Okay, CSV, I will change name of my file if I want. Okay, and here instead of CSV I will click here on Excel workbook, and then I will save. I will close this. Now you can see that here it should be, here it should be, see here, collector file. This is the file in which I have right now edited all the things. Similarly, there are a lot of different files. I have to do same. What I will do, right button of my mouse, open with Excel, open with Excel. Then once the Excel is open, then what I will do, here I will click on right button. I will search for row height 20. Then I will again right click here, search for column width 20. Okay, this is small, so that is why I will increase little bit. Okay, then I will again click here, center align. I will again click here, do all borders. Okay, then I will select only first row. I will bold, italic, underline if you want. I will make the colorful also, and I will go to view, freeze, top row. In this way my file is done. Then I will go to file, save as. Then I will go to browse. Then I will search here for my folder where I want to store. So I will store here, and while storing here, instead of CSV I want to store as Excel. Again save, done. Okay, we will close it. Again you can see here dashboard is saved. Similarly for this file, right button, open with Excel. Okay, the file is opening. So then okay, so this file is corrupted, this file is corrupted, close this. We cannot use this file, this file is corrupted. Okay, farmer, this file, let's say, right button, open with Excel. When the file will be open, we will check that file. Okay, we will click here on triangle, but I do not have to adjust the column or row height. Why? Because I can see everything. Okay, I have to increase a little bit, so I can increase it. Okay, then I will do center. I will do all borders. Then I will select first row only. Okay, first row only, bold, italic, underline. See, why I am showing you like this multiple data set, you think that this is not useful, but if you practice, then only you will be able to understand and remember this. Save as, browse, because our company policy is only believing on when you practice more, then you remember more automatically. So here I will save my data. Instead of CSV, I will save Excel workbook and then click on save button. So practice on 100 different files. See, click on right button, open with Excel. When you open with Excel, see the data. The data is big or small. How many rows or columns are there? It is very small. So I will click this, center, center. Okay, there is not lot of data. There is only small data. So I will adjust all the columns by my hand only, because it is not very big data. It is only a small data. Okay. So see here, lot of data is written. So instead of that, I will click here on wrap text. Wrap text. Okay. So I will just click here on this. Column name is very much big. So I will click here on wrap text. There is an option of wrap text. Automatically that cell will be bigger. Okay. Otherwise I have to increase the column. Okay, but I am not increasing the column. I will use the wrap text. When it is used, when the text or the name written is very much large. Okay, the sentence written is very much large. Now what I will do, I will click here, center. Okay, then again I will do it center, all borders. Okay, I will select first row, bold, italic, underline. I will go to view and freeze plane, top freeze plane. I will go to home. I will also color it. So let's say blue color. Then I will go to file, save as, browse, select the folder in which you want document. In this practice test, and here instead of CSV, we will select as Excel workbook and then save. Close the file. Similarly, one more file is there for practice. So we will open this, right button of your mouse, open with Excel. When you open this, so you will see there is lot of data. So here I will click right button, row height will be 20 or 25, whatever you want. Okay, again one time, column width 25 I will put. Okay, now I am able to see everything. You have to check whether you can see everything or not. Click here on center, then all borders, select the first row, bold, italic, underline, color, then view, freeze plane, top freeze plane. Everything is done. Go to file, save as, go to browse. Now go to document, go downside, go to your folder, select Excel workbook. Okay, select Excel workbook here and click on save button. Now you can close. And in this way, you have to do practice at least of 100 times. So you cannot do 100 times only in one day. You have to do 10 files per day for 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month. Then you can do practice. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is about the Excel practice. In next session, we are going to start with next options in the Excel. See you in the next video.